Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is an update of the miles per gallon that I get on my currently reinstalled Stillen cold air intake scoop. I had to remove it for a few months until I had modified it. It was interfering with the active aero shutters that are currently on my Chevy Silverado. So anyway, I had a few people ask me, is it in this truck just because it looks good, or is there an actual increase in miles per gallon? So I went through my fuel logs and I wrote down all of the trips that I took before I had installed the Stillen, and I wrote down the dates and the miles per gallon. And today is Sunday, 12/26, one day after Christmas, and it's been 6 days since I reinstalled the Stillen. So I took that trip to Palm Springs today, and I'll give you those miles per gallon numbers also. So here we go. All these are going to be in round trips, so I'll give you the trip I took and the date and how many miles per gallon. Vegas trip on 9/24/2019, 19.2 miles a gallon. A Vegas trip on 10/10/2019, 20.8 miles a gallon. Did another Vegas trip on 10/16/2019, got 20.1 miles a gallon. And then on 1/25/20, there was a Palm Springs round trip. That was 20.1 miles a gallon. And then there was a Vegas one on 8/26/2020, and I got 20.8 miles a gallon on that one. Then I did my ski trip to Tahoe on 2/27/21. That round trip consisted of 19.0 miles a gallon. And then in 6/12/21, just prior to the original installation of the Stillen cold air intake scoop, I went to Palm Springs. I got 20.0 miles a gallon. And then of course, I installed the Stillen on June 20th, 2021. And I did do a few trips after that, but they included round trips to like Palm Springs or Yucca Valley and some miscellaneous miles. So I don't think it'd be fair to actually list those ones, but they were averaging anywhere between 17 to 19.5 miles a gallon. But like I said, I didn't think that was fair because they had some miscellaneous miles on there. So then today, 12/26/2021, I took a round trip to Palm Springs and I got a 22.9 miles a gallon. So apparently there is a 2.8 mile increase of miles per gallon with the Stillen as to without the Stillen. And I think I made quite a few trips to prove that there is an increase by using the Stillen. And as you can see, it does look pretty sweet. So yes, it does look good, and there is an increase in miles per gallon, especially since I paired it with my GM Performance cold air intake system. It works awesome. So my truck is now chilling with the Stillen again. So I don't know. I'm an idiot. Anyway, so apparently there is more than a 2.0 mile per gallon increase by having this Stillen installed in my 2019 Chevy Silverado. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this answered anybody's question about, is the Stillen just for looks, or does it actually make a difference? So that's it. Have a great day, and may your miles per gallon increase every time you take a trip. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Have a good day. And one more shot of the Stillen. Have a good day. Bye.